Jump squats. Just the thought of them makes my legs ache in anticipation. But hey, they say no pain, no gain, right? So here I am, ready to push myself to the limit and feel that burn that signals progress. It's all about focusing on those leg muscles, they say. Engaging every fiber, every sinew, every ounce of strength to propel yourself upwards and then back down again. It's a full-body workout disguised as a simple exercise. But there's nothing simple about jump squats. As I bend my knees and lower myself into the squat position, I can already feel the tension building in my quads, my hamstrings, my glutes. And then comes the explosive part, the jump. Pushing off the ground with all the power I can muster, reaching for the sky for just a split second before gravity pulls me back down. It's a relentless cycle of up and down, each repetition pushing me closer to my goal of stronger, leaner legs. And let's not forget about the fat-burning benefits. Jump squats are like a furnace for calories, melting away the excess weight with every jump. But it's not just about the physical benefits. There's something almost meditative about the rhythm of jump squats. The focus required to execute each jump with precision. The mental fortitude needed to push through the burn and keep going. And then there's the satisfaction of knowing that I'm challenging myself, pushing past my limits, and coming out stronger on the other side. It's a feeling of accomplishment that lingers long after the workout is over. Sure, there are moments when I want to throw in the towel, when my legs feel like jelly and my lungs are screaming for air. But I push through because I know that's where the real growth happens, in those moments of discomfort and struggle. Jump squats are a metaphor for life, really. They teach me resilience, determination, and the power of perseverance. They remind me that progress is not always easy, but it is always worth it. So here I am, sweat dripping down my face, heart pounding in my chest, but a smile on my lips. Because I know that with each jump squat, I am one step closer to becoming the best version of myself. And that's a feeling that no amount of pain can diminish.